Okay, Benny, what club you got? Which one is that?
The driver.
Yep. Use that on the tee box, then what do you use in the fairway?
Putter.
No, the fairway.
Putter.
Use a putter on the green.
Ready?
Just about. Let me back up a little bit. Take it all the way back. Okay, I'm ready for you. Okay, I'm ready. Oh. I got it was a pull, but you hit it hard. Yeah, you hit that one hard. You tell the camera you just hit one over the fence, almost up on the up on the road. All right, we're ready. Good try. That is so cool, man.